Okay, today we're going to learn how to edit Joomla website. I'm going to do this in two parts. First part is going to be learning how to log in and knowing where some of the areas are. Anyhow, I'm going to do this demonstration on the My Breeder Plan website. Normally this site isn't set up to do that, but I just enabled one user to do that, and we're going to demonstrate that now. So for most of you, on the front end of your Joomla, which is made in both front end and back end, you will have a login. Some of it, most of it we have hidden. Some of it will be here. Some of it will be hidden in here somewhere. For all of you, I will tell you where that is. Now we're going to go into the members login, and I am going to log in as Laspira. It knows me, obviously, because I've been in a few times doing adjustments for other areas. And when we come in, we're going to have what's called a user menu. Now, your user menu will not look exactly like this. I have ads and stuff for both advertising and for both the classified in here. But anyhow, this is the user menu. You'll have some of those available to you. Right now, it's not exactly a big deal. You can go into your user details and adjust that accordingly, but we're not going to worry about that right now. Now, before you start editing, you'll notice there's a pencil on each article in the front there. Anything that is editable will have a pencil. But we're not going to edit this article. We are going to go into our goals, which is the one I need to edit. Now I'm going to click on that pencil. Before I start to show you how to edit, I am going to show you this editing window that comes up. All the information will go into the editing. It may look, it'll always look the same. Some of it may show a background in some of your sites, some not. Some may have more icons in here. That's not a big deal. This has the basic icons that you need. This is the newest form of Joomla, and some of you have an older form of Joomla. It'll have your boldface, italics, underline, strike through. This is your alignment. You have your right, center, left, and justify. Don't worry about this. We have the formats. All Joomla templates have a format of the fonts and the sizes and the headings and everything in it. We have an ordered list. If you want to use point form, we have our indents. We have our, very importantly, our undo and our redo. I need that a lot sometimes. We have insert links, unlink, anchor, which is to anchor in different parts of the page. We have edit image, clean up code, don't worry about that. And HTML, for those of you who like to use HTML to adjust. I have to use it on occasion for different things. And the other one that's important for you is a horizontal rule. Now you scroll down here with this, and we have add image. This adds your image. Page break. I don't use this very often. Read more. That's if you want to, say, start off with a paragraph, and then you click this. Say you're right here, and you put read more. Anything below this line would tell you how, or would be read on another page. I'm actually going to back over that. I don't want that in this. Toggle editor, that turns it into HTML too as well, but we're not going to worry about that. Okay, part 2. Now we are going to go ahead and edit this article. Now, this article here is actually missing the last paragraph. Well, actually, I took it out and for the purposes of this demonstration. But anyhow, as you can see, I have my little cheat window here. I love this notepad. I copy everything on, notes to myself, everything. And this paragraph actually goes right here. I just copied and pasted off of the notepad. Now I'm going to, or copied it, and now I'm going to paste it into this article. Now, if you do notice, though, this should be web-based records, not web-based records. Anyhow, so we're going to adjust that spelling error. And we got that done. Now, if you go up to the justify, I'm going to justify that. Watch the text when I hit it. It aligns it on both sides now. I love that. Some of the programs I've worked with in the past don't have it. I just love that. Okay, now we are going to add an image, which is very important to some of you guys. Now, what I did was click on that image button, and I'm going to show you two things on how to add an image. First of all, you need to upload an image. If you need to upload an image, you can just do it this way. I'm just going to show you how to upload a quick image. Nothing major, as you can see, but let's see. We'll just do this one here. Not that I'm going to use it, but I've got it from my computer and then I uploaded it. So I have both those arrows now, not that I'm going to use them either. But that's not the picture I want to use, even though it's uploaded just fine. I want to actually put a little pup in there. So I'm going to click on that, insert, and there you go, he's there. But we need to do some formatting. Most images you will have to, so occasionally you get it right the first time. So I'm going to click onto this editing picture imaging. You can put a description if you want. I'll put yellow lab pup. You don't have to use this, but if you're embedding it in the text, like left or right, you can, or wherever. I'll just set it to bottom. We're going to put in an actual dimension. Now every first square here is actually the width. Oops, I'm still not done. If you wanted to put a border, you could put a number in there to make a border. And if you're embedding it in the text to the right or the left or the middle or whatever, you can also fill in vertical and horizontal. Anyways, we're going to update, and I am going to center him. Okay, there we go. We've got a picture in there, and we've edited our text. Now there's a few other features down here. You can put it into a section. Each section has several categories. I'm just leaving them uncategorized. If you want to publish him, he is going to be published. If you want to show on the front page, you can hit yes. You can put the author in or whatever. This is ordering. Don't worry about any of that. That's more advanced stuff, and if you need that changed, I can always give help on that. Anyways, we're done editing, so we're going to hit save. And our article is saved, as it says. Now we're going to log out. Or you can go on and edit others, but we're going to log out. Okay, there you go. You are done.